6:45 right now. We've been telling you about a potential game changer in the fight against COVID. Pfizer granted full FDA approval for its vaccine. And now the hope is that those who've been reluctant to get the shot will have the reason they need to roll up their sleeves. We wanted to bring in clinical nurse specialist Alice Benjamin to talk about this major milestone. Nurse Alice, thanks for joining us this morning. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited about this.
Yeah, well, can you explain to us the difference between the emergency use authorization, which the Pfizer vaccine had been under, and the full approval that it just received?
Right. So an emergency use authorization is when a new medication or treatment is authorized for use during an emergency to prevent life-threatening conditions, especially when there's no alternative. So that's how we were able to get these emergency use authorizations for these vaccines. It was based on some early clinical data, and so that was good. But now Pfizer has a full FDA approval for 16 and up to use. And in order to do that, they had to submit thousands and thousands of pages in a document, what's called Biologics License Application. It's very comprehensive, includes extensive data that builds on their early clinical data, and it requires continuous monitoring of participants who from their research. So it's a game changer, and I'm hoping it's going to get more people vaccinated.
Yeah, and you've been on the front lines of the pandemic since the start. You and we have heard from a lot of people who were hesitant to get the vaccine that they're waiting for more information. Do you think this will finally change a lot of people's minds and that they'll actually get vaccinated?
I actually think it will. According to a Kaiser Family Foundation report, 30% of those who were unvaccinated said that they would be more apt to get the vaccine once it has FDA approval. I think there's some security in knowing that it's gone through even more extensive research and that there's data supporting that, yes, it is safe. Yes, it does work. So I'm a believer that more people are going to get vaccinated.
So is this just a similar process that we go through that's, I guess, the equivalent of getting our measles, mumps, that type of vaccine? Is this a similar process that it underwent to get this type of, next level of vaccination?
Yes. So it went through that exact same process. So before we used to say it takes 7 to 10 years for a vaccine to be approved. Now, mind you, we had all resources focused on this vaccine. We had information about the coronavirus family. So with those two things, we were able to work faster to get this approved. But rest assured, it has gone through all of the safety steps that any other vaccine or medication would be required to go through to get FDA approval.
And let's talk about the Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines. What's next in their process, and when might they receive full approval?
So Moderna did apply for full FDA approval. They did that back in June. So I anticipate that will come before the end of the year. Now, Johnson & Johnson has yet to do that. But you have to remember, Johnson & Johnson wasn't approved for emergency use until March. So they're about 3 months behind from the other vaccines. But I anticipate that they have said that they will release data later this month about not only their booster, but also potentially applying for full FDA approval.
All right, so a step in the right direction, but we're still waiting to see what's going to happen with these other vaccines. And you made real quickly before you go here, you made it a point. We've got to change our masks, right?
Yes, it's important. And as I was saying to you guys, change your mask like you change your underwear. There's moisture, there's potential dirt that gets into our mask. So we want to keep that clean. The integrity of your mask is what's going to keep you safe. So if you have a moist, soiled, or damaged mask, it's not going to provide you the protection that we want it to.
Yeah, change your mask like you change your underwear. That's something that's easy to remember. Nurse Alice Benjamin, always good to see you. Thank you again for joining us today.
I'll never see the mask the same way again now. Thanks, Nurse Alice.